We installed a full lifetime roofing system through GAF. This home was approved by the insurance company for hail damage. We started with installing ice and water shield on the eaves and valleys, as well as installing FeltBuster synthetic underlayment. Next, we started the shingle installation with WeatherBlocker starter strips. The color of the shingles is Weatherwood. To finish off this brand new roof, we installed ridge vents so that the roof can breathe with new seal and ridge caps. Contact Top Tier Exteriors today for a free inspection on your roof, siding and gutters. We also offer junk removal services as well as interior repairs due to water damage. We are licensed and insured. We always put high-quality materials and top-notch workmanship first.